On the surface, this fraction may seem as if it's fully simplified. 2x minus 5 divided by 5 minus 2x. Okay, I cannot factor a number out of 2x minus 5, nor can I out of 5 minus 2x. Or so it seems. And so it would seem like this fraction is already reduced or simplified. But this one is an exception. This type of problem is an exception. Because if you look more closely, you'll see that 5 minus 2x is the opposite signs from 2x minus 5. So here's the long way of justifying what I want to tell you about this type of problem. We can factor out a negative 1 from either one, top or bottom, but let me pick on the bottom. 2x minus 5 over negative 1 times, if I factor negative 1 out of 5 becomes negative 5, and out of here it becomes plus 2x. Okay. And so you see that this is going to be 2x minus 5 over minus 1 times, and because this is in addition, I can switch them around. It's going to be 2x negative 5, so 2x minus 5. And look what happens now. We have 2x minus 5, the numerator and denominator. So they do cancel. They are common factors. These cancel, but I'm just not left with a negative 1 down below. I have to put something on top. Literally it's 1 over 1. So in this case, the way I've done it, my numerator is 1 and my denominator is negative 1. Now you can just, that's the same as negative 1. So it did end up being negative 1. So here's the idea. When you have a fraction in which the terms are opposite from one another, and all the terms have to be opposite, then it literally is equal to negative 1. And so you can forego all these steps as long as you correctly recognize this situation. For example, what is a number divided by its opposite? That would be negative 1, isn't it? Or how about this number divided by its opposite? Still negative 1. Alright, so what about this number? 3x squared minus 4x minus 5 divided by 5 plus 4x minus 3x squared. Well, look carefully. We have the same terms involved, 3x squared, 4x, and 5. And up here, this 3x squared is positive, down here is negative. That's negative, that's positive, that's negative, that's positive. So every term matches up identically, except every term has opposite signs. Now this only works if they're all opposite signs. And so in that case, this is what? It's negative 1. You can justify that again by factoring out negative 1, which is this process, kind of a long process, but it works. And but that's it. So that's the idea. Recognize that situation when you have identical terms but totally opposite signs. Then that, at least that part of the fraction will simply reduce to a negative 1 because they're opposite signs. And where that would not work, for example, suppose that was a plus 5. That no longer reduces because the 5 did not change signs. These may be opposite signs, but one term didn't. So in that case, you can't reduce, at least not this way. So anyway, well, this is going to come up in some problems. So be alert to it.